So I got this knife making kit, which is basically just a folding knife without a handle. And I'm going to take this scrap piece of walnut and give the knife a handle. So let's get to it. I started by tracing around the knife on a scrap piece of walnut using a marker. I then resawed the piece on the bandsaw to get two equally sized pieces. And I used double-sided tape to tape the two pieces back together, and then I could cut the marked piece roughly on the bandsaw. I'm going to sand it down later so it doesn't need to be flush with the marking I made. I took the two pieces apart and taped them to a piece of plywood to be able to plane it. I did a couple of passes in the planer and I used a pen to mark both the pieces, that way I could see when they were equally thick. I wrapped the blade with some tape to keep both my fingers and the blade whole. I then used two-part epoxy to glue the two pieces of wood to the knife. I clamped it up, and when the glue had dried, it was time to sand. I started with the belt sander to get it flush with the knife. I also wrapped a bolt with some sandpaper and used the drill press to get the round shape of the knife, and a random orbital sander to round off the corners of the handle. I then went on to hand sand the rest with some finer grit sandpaper. I then finished it off with some Danish oil, and that was it. Alright, this knife handle is officially done and it looks really nice with the Damascus blade as well, which is some kind of pattern. So this is the perfect gift for someone for Christmas or birthday or whatever. And it took me about 3 hours, I guess, of active time before it was done, and that was the first time I made one, so I think I might be able to do it even faster. The knife kit I got was from a Swedish store, but I know that Rockler has a bunch of different kind of knife kits, and they aren't that expensive. Around 20 bucks, I think most of them are. Well, that's it for this week. I do hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.